Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Gallery app and then hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of from Pictures or Albums category. Now tap on those type of dots at the top left corners to select multiple photos right away. In order to exclude some of them, click on the ones that you wish to keep. And then to get rid of the rest, tap on Delete at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully selected and deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!